Summerset freestanding outdoor oven is a premium addition to your outdoor kitchen that refines the art of outdoor cooking. Crafted with heavy-duty 304 stainless steel, this oven is built to outlast the competition while delivering exceptional performance every time you fire it up. Equipped with a powerful 20,000 BTU main burner and 3 cooking racks, this oven offers versatility and convenience for all your outdoor cooking needs. Whether you're baking pizzas, roasting poultry, or indulging in delicious desserts, this oven has the capacity to accommodate up to a 16-inch pizza or a turkey weighing up to 20 pounds. The full-view front window and built-in halogen light allows you to easily monitor the temperature and keep an eye on your food as it cooks. With a heat diffuser over the circular burner, heat is evenly distributed for consistent and perfect results every time. Cleaning up after a delicious meal is a breeze thanks to the built-in drip tray, while the heat-resistant handle on the hood ensures safe access to the oven at all times. It comes complete with a host of accessories, including a cover, a smoker box for wood chips, a flame tamer, a grease tray, and a large pizza stone. Plus, the included freestanding cart features LP tank storage, a door with a magnetic latch, and airflow regulating vents. And it's backed by a gold standard lifetime warranty for added peace of mind. Experience luxury cooking for any occasion and reimagine your outdoor cooking game with the Summerset freestanding outdoor oven. Summerset, the ultimate destination for premium outdoor cooking equipment.